Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get your API key for Obvio and how to integrate it to your AEvent account. So to start, let's log into your Obvio account. Once you are logged in, let's open the event that you'll be using with AEvent. And from this page, you can hover over Attendees from the left-hand side menu and click on Services, or simply click on Attendees and click on Services from here. And then click on Access Tokens from the top. And as you can see, here is your API key. So let's save it somewhere easily accessible like Notepad. Once we have this information handy, we can proceed with integrating Avio with your AEvent account. Once logged into AEvent, just click on Integrations from the left-hand side menu, and then click on Add Integration from the upper right-hand side. Let's search for Avio. And as you can see, there's a drop down arrow here. Click on that and you'll be able to see here the different timeline actions that you can create with Ovio. But for the purposes of this video, we will be adding it. So click on Add Integration. And you can label it however you want, but let's make it easily identifiable in case you decide to add more Ovio accounts in the future. So I'll be naming it Ovio Queen. Once you're satisfied with the name, just click on Connect. And we will be prompted for the API key. Once you have that information entered, just click on Continue. And we just have to wait for Ovio to be successfully integrated to AEvent. So as you can see, we have successfully integrated it. So the next thing we'll do is test the connection between Ovio and AEvent. So let's look for Ovio. Here it is. So just click on the test button. And we have successfully established connection between Ovio and AEvent. So that would be all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of our future uploads. Thank you for watching.